Happening right now. The stock market has been up and down this week due to the instability caused by the conflict in the Middle East. And people here at home may be wondering, what does this mean for my retirement and investment accounts?
Consumer investigator Christine Lazar here with some insight into that. Christine, good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, a lot of people on edge. You've got gas prices going up. People saying, I don't want to look at my 401k. On top of it, today we had a jobs report that was weaker than expected. Unemployment kicked up. So then we're seeing that effect on the stock market. So it can be a scary time. And we want to take a look now at the big board just to see how Wall Street is doing at this hour. As you can see, the Dow is down 576 points. We've seen a lot of volatility this week. I'm joined now by financial advisor Winnie Sun. Winnie, thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thanks so much for having me, Christine. It's great to be here.
So to begin with, what do you make of how the market is reacting to oil prices and the war in Iran, and why is it reacting this way?
Well, Christine, the main thing is that investors don't like uncertainty. And what we're seeing right now is significant uncertainty. We know that oil has crossed over the $90 mark, and we anticipate it crossing over three figures. So what that means is investors today, consumers today are dealt with not only inflation, now the concerns of things having to cost more, including filling up their tank. So people are very concerned.
So what advice do you have for people who have their money in the stock market? Should we be holding off from doing any buying and selling during this period of instability? Are there any moves to be made that could benefit us?
Well, Christine, I think the first thing to think about is it depends on your personal situation. If you have debt, what I would say is this is the time to consider paying that down. If you don't have your emergency fund funded, this is also a good time to do that, to get proactive in that respect. But if your time horizon is long and you have investments, let's say in your company 401k or your IRA, and you have plenty of time, you still have income, you still have your job, then this is maybe a time to make sure that you're diversified, make sure that the portfolio looks sound, and kind of hold tight.
So Americans are increasingly living paycheck to paycheck. I know you're hearing that. We're all hearing that. We also have rising gas prices that have a lot of people concerned. What has history shown us about war's impact on gas prices and just our economy in general?
Well, Chrissy, what we know is that it depends on how long this war lasts. If it's a short term, that could have short-term disruption to the financial markets, which you're seeing today. Now, it depends on how long this will take. We've heard what's happening from coming out of the White House is there's a lot of uncertainty, and that's why you're seeing the market being disrupted so heavily. So what that means is make sure that at least temporarily for the next 3 to 6 months that you have a plan B. You make sure that you have some cash reserves, make sure you have some savings, your emergency fund, and just sort of plan ahead. This is definitely a time to focus on needs versus wants. Spending less right now is really smart.
Yeah, that's a very good idea. And before I let you go, any other advice for those who are really unsure of what to make of the market and our economy right now?
Well, Christine, I want to talk about one thing that's been, we've been getting a lot of calls about this week is like, should I be investing more since the market's dropping so much? And I would say that at this point, I would be very cautious about that. It's good to continue to save for your long-term goals, but we have a saying that, you don't want to get too aggressive and wait till things kind of slow down and quiet down a little bit before you get too aggressive.
Yeah, that's good advice. Winnie, thanks so much for joining us this morning. And Rachel and Sheba, I'm going to send it back to you.